For another spin of the Wheel of Justice, we team up with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office each week to help get wanted fugitives off our streets. Joining us today, Melissa Bojeda with JSO.
Good morning.
No captures to talk about, but we do have a featured suspect that they'd really like to rein in.
We sure do. Carl Matthews, and he's wanted for sexual battery. He has a $100,000 bond. He's 5 feet 5 inches tall, 190 pounds, and 27 years old. His last known address is in the 1600 block of 20th Street in Jacksonville. But everybody in the Clay County area, be on the lookout. He's known to be in the area of the 1300 block of Love Drive in Green Cove Springs. So Jacksonville and Clay County is his playground. He's wanted for sexual battery, a very serious offense. Let's get a tip and get him off the streets of Jacksonville.
All right, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Remember, all these faces will be posted on news4jax.com later today. And if you see any of these suspects on the street, don't approach them yourself. Call the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office or Crime Stoppers, and we'll give you that number coming up. And the wheel, going to go right past our featured suspect on to Miss Cordova.
Jennifer Cordova, she's wanted for child neglect. That charge pretty much speaks for itself. No bond, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 175 pounds, 30 years old. This photo's from a December 2012 arrest when she was arrested for drugs. Her last known address is in the 32205 zip code, 4800 block of Sappho Avenue.
If you see her or any of these suspects, call Crime Stoppers, 866-845-TIPS. Melissa, thank you.